In this video, we will guide you through the registration process step by step. The first thing you need to do is visit the EG Cloud Manager registration page. Here you will be prompted to enter your details such as your name, email address, and a secure password. Once you have filled in all the required your registration, you will be redirected to a new screen. Here you will see a button labeled Get Started. Click on this button to proceed with downloading the EG agent, which is essential for monitoring your infrastructure. Make sure to select the version that corresponds to your operating system, whether it's Windows, Linux, or another platform. This agent will allow you to monitor various components of your infrastructure seamlessly. After downloading the EG agent, to initiate the installation, right-click on this file and select Run as Administrator. This action will open the command prompt and begin the installation process. It's important to follow any prompts that appear on your screen to ensure a smooth installation. This step is vital for the EG agent to function correctly within your environment. The EG agent will automatically start discovering the components within your environment. In conclusion, you have now successfully registered and installed the EG agent.